Hey there, welcome back to Kids Gardening with Liz. I'm here at La Madera Community Garden where we're getting ready to celebrate Dia de los Muertos. So behind me you will see the marigold flowers or the cempasúchil flowers, which we have been growing for the last couple months, and we are now harvesting to celebrate Day of the Dead on Monday and Tuesday. So we've got lots of beautiful flowers throughout our garden, and I'd like to show you some of the other things we're doing to prepare. Behind me you can see our new oven, which our members recently fixed and put back together, and we're using it to bake our pan de muerto, which we will be eating on Monday and Tuesday. Behind me you can see the beginning of our ofrenda, which we will be finishing to decorate on Monday and Tuesday when we will actually light our candles. Thank you so much for joining us this week, and I hope we'll see you again soon. Bye!